mà là cái chẳng đỡ chạy nhỏ cái đồng dit media cái chẳng anh năng được có phải vào đâu karon kini đang rau de jandang rau de die agan mak bangut gok bay nung lar ti la nung yuni chang ka dung dit media ka tin la rodien ka Junub Sudan kana wing mon ando dien dung dit media me gwa leng mu ga ka tok nuar mena ne ala ri chang ko yel le ngot ngo yene ni ngor ka ne online ka dung dit media me mi ci ran jo ma la jak lenge bi like ka bi share we share ba wa dung wan ba ka chup bane ko le ngo tok nuar na me baga jaje ak bar ko nong ne ka dung dit media and wala ga changa janang dok ko pai waro dung dit media be no update the security situation ko northern jonglei when we say northern jonglei lut ko no continent daro to ko no tere loko we talk about nirol we talk about woror security situation kan ko daro woto yala topic of today morning min ba ko ra jodo ko dung dit media belar ne ko mi che jak ko like ko share ko ba le ngane ngwan and wala ga changa nang dok ka waron wanga me situation ko security dor ko nyorol te joy ko ta pan ne cha bong ni nyorol chan ko dol kien dia chan ga ling ne te jilu gwa ji do pentin keno watai of do mena ne cha yor chana ga ling gan dia so jabo joy ko ri na le bok pan so koi te ni la ga je o antunup ba da so koi ko do yor pin pan a shell medi mi powerful mi chi na na ki me yana nen cha kwang medi chetet ka market re to ko local market ka langken. So no is the development of yesterday. Today morning, rare akalanken, joy ko tele bombardment, me to talk, tele report of bombardment the same like yesterday, me channel report today morning. Me nyo jako and chere mean situation rare akalanken is relatively calm. Situation go what? Want to take a firm control of the SPLMIO. What the quarter to get me killing. Kenyurol County, Chala area of Panyang, Chala area of Priang, Chala area of Pading. So what the Jana calling Pinpan, who is a element of Bull Macquay, can I okay and Tayaga Joikel, Rera Kawat, plus Karkektul Shek, which are all localized with me, Charo Marai communities. Tilarga Jeo in the name of SPLMIG Bagani and R. Law. So yesterday ya ko ya kabaken ja ko ra ba dit ta da na ja ter kor ta ja jo ne ke man ra zal kur today morning che te ga report ti nyo de ko chi lu njok ja kor kap dor mi ala riang ne de ko no lu njok to as we say o chicken ate to conventional post we cannot say o SPLM IG ki as PDF manan ta ki ya mu cooperate kai chap la chap do aro ya mobilize that group of people to your idea. As we mentioned their name, Paul McQuay, Kenagar Kektorchak. So for that reason, core me, shall localize core, that we cannot talk about it. It's very important. Our topic today, Kuchala core SPLM Maiu, because the content of SPLM Maiu, check Lanken, check what, check a threat. So by handle with me, a Canadian. That need only involvement of traditional leaders. Go about that group, balatke, and chagoakaye. So it's a loose. She give Magoaka, could be a yingalodial, a shoot Kumakasal Pakir. And now, as we say, local war, Jatin work, what Banazal, Kabanagal no one. About the situation around Yui, just the situation in Anaguru, and we talk about it. Because as we pull out, Kenny and the SPLM, I wish to move from all the direction they lock. Cherry has no one job of fire because this following house. Take a motor, take a ferry, take full shawl. We talk about what? We talk about all those locations, the Banaka Patai, Banaka Uror. So the way we wrote an SPLM, I would think. We talk about SPLM, I yesterday. Chayu I approach a different direction. And today, there is a shelling going on. No go on wangadan. Where go? No result and confrontation will be in afternoon hour. We will follow up. So as PLMIO is in firm position, and it will make sure that these following hours, as PLMIO. That is the news to Banapolo. As we talk, all tension. As we talk, there is a shelling now. Banapolo. When we come to the political implication of core law, as we said earlier, there is issues to go political analysis and understanding at our core and law. Now, we can say there are law politicians, the government of self-care. Because when we say law politician, government official, can they call it self-care? Who can they call it? So we have a big number of law to MP, the categories of all the parliament, upper house, lower house, Kawalai, and you know them by name, Churkin. So we have our other government officials, who's written directors in the government, both national and state. So later, when there is a relative calm, we are here representing you. So today, it is a test that we asked yesterday. Who Mishaku Bugan Lanken, Chaga, Chaganak, Chaman, Chaganak, Chabong in the market, Kumala Kume, Sudan. That take MP in law or Latin. Elbert Local, my MP be a lot of Mirajek. And a member of the government can self-care. Let us wait and see. So up to this morning, nobody say anything. They know what happened yesterday was not right. But nobody come up. And we will wait for them until and MP though are men shall condemn. Nobody will come out. And the reason at all. The country Chapanya can low. The government can want to kill. Conady, I think they do all in the Alvadaram kill. Milan may to another. One person come out. You thank you do a lucky one person. You barar, or William Point. You are Romilla the jug. So now, Yakatijin, a sacrifice, fighting for his own people. So, Lodia, the shutdown and local, they are not pan, no, make sure that they jug. So, we are here. Like Yen Gaban. You know Rod Koryam. Rod Koryam, Jayangong, how many years? 15 years, AMP. Up to now. When there is a problem, but Rod Koryam, Bajak Tinmanagi. When we tell we should get Balbar, Rod Koryam, Jakin Chamaji. We should do. So up to today, Koryam tell me a lot. Tell a door. So which is a teaching, you the real one and Nerianator, who are they? Kangane. We have an example. So Kanaanator, politically, Laura Kokian, Bangajo, there are MPs, Tiakajube, teaching with me or Kolo. But this very difficult time, Kolo. No one. No, it's about MPs. This difficult time. When we come to contribution per test, the country contribute go below a problem. Sometimes they talk about innocent. Hey, can they call the like the country like social media? Can I call the law? Can I jar a willow? Palkatok or La Toga Kulo. Like, for example, if you talk about mute cause Korea law, which young done. Tell a law region, Kiayu Mijian, Mijukumayan, my Jenukum, ni jen ting ting yo so do ko kwam ga ko na jen yo na yon mai ne lat ga ni traditional thing na kana o ken wi bi ka so yo la cause of the problem mulu no ane to do kwa na mo kwa jak to do kwa jak ko be chup kwam ga to ni lo tia ka jub you can say nga ka nga cái thế giờ có khối giờ bị chụp nó cái nuôi bì cả nuôi đẻ so when you come to này nè chỉ lo có là đồ đồ đấy chè bẹt they decide because when you say low as well as my own na thế low dominant cái low we can call name of low lakini as well as my own na thế wano vì chè có là đồ nó chắc gạc ena bo koter now chigra desperate can see asin lo ko pankin today morning go on 31 ire ga ke chola nuba ke chola bel tu kudyok 300 cho cái chon bor wa kan ga yoy ta ga ni da raw jal and today chi cho ga yoy objective de ajani chwala kuda ro ba kam chap de cho la de di wa dong chap chin ja ga nang ken nu ku le ku je wo che to yo ba chwala kuda ro ba kam chap ba chwala kor ba cha me de ro de ye this first ye deserted ga ni nang ra uti re ken de ka yai changai o chap chin ja ge la de ram no lo ade changai so kwa ro yu cho bo wala porque de baro de la ro ga ni me ala ga cha ko mo ko lang ke ni cha ko ko support no na ra na e lo nu bre ga ke de bere ga ka ka yoi mo yoi ka bi yo ko ba ga ja gre cha na ba ga ko ga lo ya le gar ko ga lo ra ya lat yana joga chenja ga wo dorme doran yai redun ne de beto kamur gabal chempal ker wo chempal ker ga chen da kel ga chenja yo forget ne wana mo ke part of yai bo in case mo ga ngai yai go i dora chi de ga chenja ga ro de mo ni chempal ker da part of gang de so yo parwe ne wana Fiorwa shar keep chana galing rwa indi ale kone lade ana no ko big picture a disparity ramichitel gwam within it is encouraged we talk about it in topic but karkur galwa kan indi al de gate lade ta kala die kele ko mana point go ne de ba be cha do ra pajak so we ta ko lad bo we ni jen ko do de ba de be garkur alas ko to kubo ko yoy garundi al pe do de babo do ndien e kaje do so rabi jora mo is a part of railer gar ko galwa ko plan objective de kan ne de lo da se ga ta ja ona kan ko de sien da ga de ga da jala passion ja tara ma da ga rai lo ko di objective lo ga ken and no one they accept over ni lo ken supporting kume self care telarat buluru politically low ala low chunga la ken kwar ken the traditional leaders plus fela mayo element de kelaga and objective so they protect themselves paragam ke kuma nagam the kan siasi no kon kan to siasi en salfa ker bi ngono ke kuma dien kel ba jang lo ba lo jang ke ba jang ke lo ba jang ke ke kuma salfa ker so that mean can problem itu dorana jate counter come dan kon chap la chap lo ke so called siasi en the corner ke jubi that nobody will lie you again go ran madaran dun de la de ka bi de wale in this very difficult time the low thing so taro ka kan dab den ko no de no ka mo nga orome ti number 1 a general security situation dai lo ko area of Nyorol chala dal localize ko lin ko no mo mitar ga chap bol ma kuiro ko ne chap cha ma ka kendo ti don kiro la da wala mo situation lo dien ka wat ka lanken cha ba ko je chara mo gwa tele mi ni duertin so ke area of woror kana ngaje won ne kore I started talk up to today morning take a shelling the wewo the ban full picture tara e pek tini yo man tara man ta do ko tiang bana ga nyoko milin kono kono de ko cholo karab de no kono wala ke ngwa changdara ma ko dung din media wala tes go chia ko ling u chokren